Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are well. Today we are going to do our new Oxford Modern English reading page number 14. Before starting our work, let's sing a phonics song with me.
Ants on the apple, balls are bouncing, caterpillar coughing, dolls are dancing, elegant elephant, fireflies flying, girls are giggling, hunters are hunting, ink in the ink pot, jelly beans jumping,
Well done. Clap for yourself. Now we revise all the work we have done before. Let's revise with me. This is A apple, A aeroplane, A ant. B ball, B bag, B book. C clock, C coat, C cat. D duck, D desk, D doll. E egg, E elephant, E eye. Today we learn the new letter which is F, and the sound of F is F. Now we learn some words that start with the alphabet F. Now say with me: F frog, F fish, F fan, F finger, F face, F flag. There are so many other words that start with the alphabet F. Now we learn some other words that start with this letter. F for flower, F fork, F fox, F foot. Now we learn how to write F in 4 lines. Our capital letter comes in the first 3 lines. For capital letter, we draw a straight line in the first 3 lines like this. Then we draw a sleeping line on the first line and then on the second line. And that is how we write F on 4 lines. This is the capital F. Now take a look how we write small f in the 4 lines. Start from the first line, make a small curve and then turn it and go straight to the 3rd line. When it touches the line, let it complete. Then we have to draw a line on the 2nd line like this. That is how we write small f. Take another look how we write small f. Make a small curve and straight line touches the 3rd line. Then we have to draw a straight line in the 2nd line. That is how we write small f in 4 lines. Now look, there are some pictures which are starting from the F. F for fan, F for fox, F for fish. Now you have to practice this F, capital F and small f in your workbook. Try it and try to write in proper lines. We have learned so many words that start with the alphabet F and learn how to write F in the workbook. Now you have to write F in your workbooks and read the page number 14. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.